Hello and welcome back. This is video number 2, and we're going to talk about different uses. So before we jump in to the meat of this video course, it'll really help you know what you can create in terms of different types of chatbots. And I want to go over this because I want to give you different ideas on different ways to use this in your business. You see, there are hundreds or if not thousands of ways, but our goal is to help you pinpoint that general idea and then, of course, make it more specific of what you want to accomplish. For example, big companies are really changing the way that we interact with them via chat bots. And specifically in this case, it's the Facebook Messenger chatbot. But beyond that, they are also using chatbots on their website and so forth. But really we're focusing just on Facebook Messenger here. But they're doing things like helping customers buy pizza, buy airplane tickets, even hotels. But here's the reality. Realistically, if you're watching this, you're most likely to be a small business owner and you either want to generate leads, you want to use it for customer support, you want to direct people to different areas of your business. So getting it down from a small business owner perspective, getting your prospect to opt in to your email landing page is going to actually be easier than ever. Now, of course, you can do other things like semi-automate your customer service. So if you have a lot of people asking the same questions over and over again, and you want to make it easy for your prospects to get the answers right away, then you can use a Facebook Messenger chatbot to do that. You can also do things like announce special promotions during Christmas, during maybe Hanukkah or Easter or Halloween or whatever, Mother's Day, Father's Day, or discount coupons for a limited amount of time. You can do that as well. So there's a lot of different things that you can do with chatbots. And I just want to give you some ideas, but there are tons of other ideas that I'm not even mentioning right now. So if you think about it and you're thinking, well, I would love for my prospects to be able to interact with my chatbot, and I've noticed that I've gotten a lot of the same exact question, then go for it, test it out. You're not going to know if it's going to work or not unless you test things out. Now, bots are also great for educating or pre-selling your prospects, or in other words, getting trust, because turning someone into a buyer will actually take multiple touch points. Multiple touch points, by that I mean you're going to have to interact with them multiple times. So in other words, you can't send somebody directly to your sales page or ask them to buy unless they are ready to buy. Now, I'm sure you're curious to know how to generate leads and how to automate your customer service. Now, there's actually a process to all of this, and it really requires you to build trust with your prospect first, which we'll talk about later on, a specific method that you can use to do just that. But for now, try and get an idea of what you want to achieve with your bot. And what kind of end result do you want? So what we're doing here is we're starting with the end result and then we're going to move backwards. It's going to make more sense in just a minute where we brainstorm and then we create the mock-up and all that. But starting with the end results and then figuring out what kind of questions that you're going to ask the prospect from that point is going to be much easier than starting with a question and then moving towards the end result. Because by starting with the end result, you actually increase your conversions. So what you really need to figure out is, okay, is the end result going to be a lead, an email, an opt-in, someone's name or email? Or is it going to be a sale? Is somebody going to purchase? Are they going to take a specific action? So what is that action or end result that you want? Then from that point, you need to figure out how well do they know you? Are they aware of you? In other words, are they customers? Are they people that already have bought something from you? So they're very aware of you. They know who you are. They are what we call a warm or hot lead. A cold lead, on the other hand, is somebody who has never heard about you and they don't know you. So are they those types of people? Are they unaware of who you are? Or maybe they're a little bit aware, they've heard your name, but they really haven't interacted with you. They don't trust you just yet. So knowing where they stand is crucial. So if you're going to use the chatbot and create a special promotion to existing customers, then these are people who are aware of you, and you can likely send them a link to a discount or a coupon right away. So you see how it changes dependent on how well they are aware of you. So all of these variables are important to know so that you understand how to approach them and what it will take for you to achieve higher conversions. All right, so now that you know the basics, let's move on to video number 3.